In this quick video, I'll show you how to check RAM in laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So there are three methods we can use for checking our RAM or system specs. First method is really easy. For that we just need to right click on our this PC icon or your computer icon. We just need to right click on it and then click on properties. After that it will show the device specifications. You can see my RAM here, you can also see my processor and everything is here, and this is the first method. But if you don't have this icon, then you can use second method. For that we just need to right click on our start menu and then go to system, and after that you can see my system specifications and RAM as well. So this was the second method, and third method is also easy. For that we need to open our control panel. For that I just need to type here control panel. After that open your control panel and click on system and security, then click on system. Now as you can see, I am once again on this page where I can see my RAM and processor, everything is here. So these are the three methods you can use for checking your RAM and system specifications. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.